And it was.
Yes.
It was for sure. Now, we captured this time lapse from our Skycam up at Timberline Lodge. This is the edge of what was a severe thunderstorm as it rolled on through the Cascades. And while Timberline didn't pick up very much rain from this, boy, they sure did just down the road in Maupin. So again, pretty wild when you see these clouds developing the way they did. And it continued to move. There it goes moving along there. You can see the edge here, the kind of vertical development to the cloud. So again, this hasn't moved on through, with the second one developing back behind it there, shrouded by these clouds in front of it. But still, really dramatic weather all around the state. So some of the storm highlights for you look like this. Maupin, remember I said just down the road from Timberline, less than 50 miles, 3 inches of rain there along the Deschutes River. Grass Valley, a little farther east, nearly an inch of rain in 90 minutes. Pendleton had over half an inch of rain. There's a debris flow north of Pullman, Washington, and in Highland, Washington, a 51-mile-an-hour wind gust. But that's not all. We're going to move away from those. We'll get away from those April snowmounts. But when you look at this radar right now, you can see things are winding down. We've got some showers over eastern Oregon, and then again also off the coast here. But the lightning, this is 6 hours worth of radar. The lightning was all from earlier in the day. So let's look at some of the other storm reports here. I mentioned a few of them there, but we got a few more here, like this wind gust right here. That one rolling at 51 miles an hour. That's that gust by Highland. Pendleton had strong winds too, a gust in Pendleton of 54 miles an hour. We had the heavy rainfall. This is from Helix, I believe. Yep, 0.8 of an inch of rain there. And then look at this report here. That's the Grass Valley report. That was heavy rain, nearly an inch. And then this one, this is 2.5 inches of rain in Dayton. So again, really wild weather up in northeast Oregon. Also down in central Oregon, Bend had heavy rainfall with about a half an inch of rain, and it looked like this. And you can hear it too. This is video from Michael Nyberg. Don't worry, the video will come back here. It's Instagram, so that's what happened. But nonetheless, look at the flooding there on the streets of Bend as they had a half an inch of rain in a very, very short period of time. There's Michael's shoes, keeping those babies dry. Got to keep the leather dry. And as he tilts up, you can see the storefronts in the distance there. Looks like downtown Bend, and it was a wash. All right, the other thing that happened today is that we made 80 for the first time all year. A little late, but at least we did it. 81 at the airport, 80 downtown for the airport. The 7th latest first occurrence of 80 degrees in the year. So yeah, we're about 3.5 weeks late for that. The Dalles hit 88 and Medford was 85. So what's up next? Well, we're under the influence of a southwesterly flow aloft, and that's pretty good for developing thunderstorms and showers, which is why we had that happen today. What'll happen, though, is we're going to see additional systems form and move in from the west. Now, tomorrow we get showers. It'll be cooler. We'll still be in the 70s. But watch what happens as we start going into Friday night. That's widespread rain. Another batch of rain coming in Saturday. That's 11 a.m. I think it'll be Saturday evening when the rain really picks up and gets heavy. So we've got the Starlight Parade. That looks like a bit of a washout for us. Look at this. The rainfall through Saturday morning, only 0.2 of an inch. That's from showers tomorrow. But from Saturday morning through Sunday afternoon, we get about an inch of rain. So pretty significant, and even more after that. Now, rainfall Saturday and Sunday, about an inch, inch and a half. That would be basically get us to our June rainfall average. We may do that by Monday. There's our wettest June ever back in 2010. We don't want to repeat that again, but it is going to be a very wet Starlight Parade, so plan accordingly if you are heading out to that very, very fun event. Tomorrow, upper 60s to low 70s, some showers early, but then things will begin to dry out for us. Right now in Portland, it's a warm night, 63 degrees, freezing level at 10,400 feet. Okay then, a few showers tonight. We had a few of those. I had some big fat raindrops falling when I was out at dinner. 71 tomorrow for the high temperature. We'll drop it down to 66 for the weekend. And that Thorns game tomorrow night, we got a chance of getting dry weather for that. But if you're going to the game, take the umbrella or the rain jacket because there will be showers around. And then that rain Saturday night will be heavy and widespread. Breaks up into showers and maybe thunderstorms again on Sunday, but middle of next week looks great.
Yeah, still patio weather coming out. What was for dinner, by the way?
We had clams and spaghetti.